Hey guys, Troy here. If you see, I have it there again, but I have a smaller working version. This it really works. Now this is it. Small glow in the dark piece, Lego piece. Small glow in the dark. Flat 1x2, and I put it right here. You can see when I want it. And there is it. And now it really works. It really works. And you put it. Yes, I know that in Holland, but I speak English for English, guys. And this is it. You can see here. This is my letter. You can see. Wait a second. Wait a second, please. I have here any. I can put it on. I can show you it. Here this is it. And this is here is it. The big. This is the thing of the big. And here is it. It's small. Oh, my computer falls out. Again. There you have it. There's also this. This is you can see. This is more flat, and this is longer, more flat and smaller. And this is so where it's so. This where it's so. I showed you it. I showed you the mechanism. Now you have here, if you put this right here, you get this. You get this piece, that very thing, and boom, and this falls out. You know? You can see. Bye.